Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Mi logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done turning on. After the watch turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you select the language, you will need to download and install the Mi Fitness application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, tap on the search bar, and type in Mi Fitness. And tap on search. You should see this application, Mi Fitness by Xiaomi Wear or Xiaomi Wear Lite. Tap on this app, then tap on the Get button. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, tap on Start, check the first box and tap on Agree. You can also check the second one to enroll into user experience program, but I won't do that. Now we need to select the region, so tap on region right here, scroll through the list, find the region you want to use and tap on it. Oh, my bad. Let me go back to the app, select the region, for example, United Kingdom, then tap Next. And after you select the region, you should see the health page of the app. Tap on device icon, tap on add device, tap on OK, and you will need to log in into Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, tap on create account button right here to make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password, and then we can tap on sign in. After you log in, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, here we have the notification permission. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, we have the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so make sure to tap on OK. And also here we can turn on the sync for the fitness data if you want to. If you want to tap on OK, if you don't want to tap on cancel, let's tap on OK. And after a second or two, your watch should be detected by the app, as you can see. And once it is detected, tap on it to select it, tap on OK. It will redirect you to settings. Tap on Bluetooth settings or Bluetooth icon to open the Bluetooth settings. Wait until the Redmi Watch 3 appears on the list of devices. Tap on it. Tap on pair. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Once it says My Connected, and basically the watch will appear on the list called My Devices, and it should say Connected. Once it does, you can go back to the Mi Fitness application, tap on the watch again, tap on pair, tap on the check mark, and then you will see a couple more pop-ups about the permission. For example, location permission, you can allow it or deny it. Then we have the notification permission, again, you can allow it or deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you can turn on done button, go through the tutorial how to use the watch. You can also create goals if you want to. And once you're done, you should see the Redmi Watch 3 on the device page. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.